Welcome to the RFH Replacement New Procedure video. In this video, we will cover the new process for RFH replacement on some of our new vehicles. See the video description for more details on which models support this. For the duration of this procedure, do not put a laptop or any wireless device near the top of the center console. The RKE antenna may be located below the center console. This vehicle may not always have a center console, but the fobics still need to be held in the center of the vehicle between the driver and passenger seats. All fobics previously programmed to the vehicle will be reprogrammed when running the RFH replace procedure. Once complete, any previously programmed fobic will now only have to be synced to the vehicle by simply placing the fobic in question inside the vehicle while it is driven over 10 miles per hour. If the vehicle does not have a standalone tire pressure monitoring ECU, you'll need to program the TPMS sensors to the new RFH. Prior to replacing the RFH, if the old RFH is communicating with YTEC2, you can record the TPMS sensor IDs. Alternatively, you can use the TPMS tool to read the sensor IDs. After the RFH has been replaced with a new RFH, connect the VCI to the vehicle's data link connector. Log into YTEC2 and navigate to RFH, then Miscellaneous Functions. If the ignition is not already in the off position, turn the ignition off. Select RF Hub Replace. Select Continue. Enter the RFH pin and select Continue. Verify the pin is correct. If correct, select the Yes radio button and then select Continue. Once the RFH Program Successful message is displayed, ensure all vehicle fobics located at the dealership are placed inside of the vehicle cabin. Note: any previously programmed key fobic not currently available will need to be manually synchronized by having the customer place the fobic inside the vehicle's cabin and drive at a speed faster than 10 miles per hour. Once all available fobics are inside the vehicle's cabin, select Continue. Press the unlock button on each fobic to be synchronized, then select Continue. The successful message and a reminder about manual synchronization displays. Select Close. If the vehicle does not have a standalone tire pressure monitor, program the tire sensor IDs. If the ignition is not already off, turn the ignition off for 30 seconds, then turn the ignition back to run. If the ignition is already off, turn the ignition to run. Clear all DTCs. Turn the ignition off and verify fobic functionality. Notify the customer any previously programmed key that was not in the dealer's possession will have to be synchronized to the vehicle by simply placing the key in question inside the vehicle while it is driven over 10 miles per hour. Thanks for watching. For additional information and support, consult Service Information, the YTEC Knowledge Base, or contact YTEC Support. Please select the YTEC2 graphic to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date on the latest YTEC2 news and how-tos.